This is Mo Nawaz. Today we're going to be talking about company debts. Company debts can be very damaging for any business if not dealt with promptly and correctly. In today's climate, one of the largest volumes of calls our call center gets is for pressure from Her Majesty's Customs and Excise or HMRC for debts. Company debts with the Inland Revenue for PAYE and Customs and Excise for VAT can present serious consequences not only for your company but also may present future consequences for the directors of the company. The directors in effect are tax collectors for the taxman and vatman, and every quarter or every month, depending on the arrangements which you have in place, you are meant to forward these taxes you have collected on behalf of HMRC to the taxman. Well, that's the theoretical side of the plan, but in reality, when you have other creditors and workers' wages to consider on a day-to-day running of your business, you get pressured into paying money that was set aside for the taxman or vatman, then gets used up in the day-to-day running of your business with the best of intentions of repaying back at a later date. But that's not always the case in practice. You and I both know that, right? When you have company debt problems, you have to become proactive and take professional advice from an insolvency auditor before it becomes too late. The insolvency auditor can advise you with the best options open to you and your company, be it a CVA, a liquidation, a pre-pack administration, or to prevent a winding up petition from HMRC. Money owed to any government department such as tax or VAT will incur penalties, interests and other charges relating to late payment or non-payment of debts. Tax debts or VAT debts, in both cases HMRC will usually work with the company and its directors to seek help for a payment plan. Well, in most cases, in theory, they will. As soon as you see the problem getting worse, start a dialogue with the Inland Revenue or Customs and Excise to work out a plan to rectify the situation if possible. Don't ignore the debts. By ignoring letters and phone calls from the authorities, all you are doing is setting up hardship for your company with a possible winding up petition for the company. If time is not on your side, then you need to have a friendly chat with an experienced insolvency auditor who will only be too happy to answer and address your concerns. If your company is struggling financially and is unable to pay its taxes and bills as well as other creditors, then you will need to call in an insolvency auditor to help you find and plan the right solution for you and your company. The insolvency auditor will help the directors to minimize their personal liabilities in the event of an insolvency situation and the best options open to you and your company. For free and confidential advice, call 0800 24 0800 and one of our team members will be there to help you. This is Mo Nawaz, signing off for today.